Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I applied this 360 lace wig onto my head from China Lace Wig. I'm really happy with the way it came out. Like, the lace on this is bomb. It's super diverse and it's the best 360 I've ever had in my life. Like, I've had a 360 before this, and when I told you it was tangling from the first day I got it, I hated it, and I thought, you know what, I'm never going to have a 360 again in my life. But this one I really like. The hair is super soft. Sorry, there's minimal to no shedding. I haven't had any shedding whatsoever when I styled it in the video. This lace frontal is in the colour, I think it's natural brown, but I do go into more detail. Later on in the video, so I'm not going to say too much. But I do want to say I really love this hair. And if you are looking for a 360 lace frontal, do go ahead and get this hair because I really love it. And yeah, they're super friendly. And when people are nice to you, you want to buy hair from them. So yeah, this is my second wig from them and I'm really happy with it. I really hope you like the way it looks, and I really hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, that'd be amazing. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video, guys. Okay, so this is what the wig comes in. It comes in a DHL Express bag, but it came in this plastic sleeve here which has China Lace Wigs on it. And then inside that plastic bag it has this. So I've done a video, a review on China Lace Wigs before, which I'll link down below, and I bought the wig myself and I spent money on it, whereas obviously this one they sent to me. And when I opened the parcel, I could clearly see that they really upped their game when it came to packaging, because if you saw my first video, they had nice packaging then, but now I feel like it's even nicer. So it has this box here and it just tells you the instructions about the wig, and all that type of stuff, and their like social media and all that kind of stuff. It comes in this drawstring black silk bag here which says China Lace Wig and their website, which you can keep, and obviously make sure that your hair is, you can store your hair nicely basically. So this is the wig. So mine is the Brazilian Body Wave 360 lace frontal. This is 22 inches and it's 150% density. On the inside of the cap it has an adjustable band. I'm sorry if you can't see this, but it has an adjustable band. It has 4 combs, so one at the back, so the thing at the nape of your head, the back of your, is it called the nape of your head? The nape of your head, and there's 2 at the front, and then there's 1 kind of like in the middle. And if you can see, I hope you can see this, but basically China Lace Wig have their logo printed on the inside, so they've definitely changed the constructions of their wig, because when I got my other wig from them from last year, they never had this like stamp inside, and I feel like the construction is very different, and to be honest I feel like it's kind of better. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I make it look natural and how I apply it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Face Powder, and this is my contour colour, but I find that it still, when I put it on my lace, it still matches my skin. So I'm going to do that because that colour isn't too dark compared to my skin, and obviously I contour my forehead so it's going to match. I'm going to put a tiny bit of mousse so that I can just make sure all the hair is back and I'm not like fighting hair. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the lace all around the wig, and then I will show you how to apply it. And I'm sorry, my mirror is over here, so I'm gonna be looking over here. And the best thing to do is to clip your hair out of the way when you're gluing it down, just so that it doesn't get messy and you can just focus on applying the lace. I'm going to be using my Got2b Blasting Freeze Spray and a rat tail comb to apply the wig, because that's what I like to use. So what I like to do is I start off at the centre and I spray the centre, and then I blow dry it to make it tacky, and then I apply the lace, and then I do it in each section. So you're just going to see me do it basically. so now that I feel like it's secured enough, like it's not proper dry yet, but I'm gonna add some more mousse again. And I'm just gonna do it so that all the hair is all back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my trusty cut-up tights that are manky as hell because it's got loads of glue on it. I'm going to use that to lay my frontal down, my wig down, sorry. And I'm just going to leave that for a few minutes just so that I can make sure that it's like properly secured. And I like using tights because I feel like the tights really flatten your head. So it flattens the lace. So I'm going to leave this to dry for a bit, then I'll be back. So I'm going to do a few little hairstyles for you so you guys can see what the wig looks like in different hairstyles. There's an elastic band at the back, so I'm just going to attach that together and then clip the back one as well so that it's secure enough for me to do a ponytail. Attach the elastic band and then I'm just going to push it up and then put the clip so it's secure.